Hey everybody, Dana Thomas here. For those that know us, we've been living in an RV for 4.5 years. With COVID happening, we got a little spooked with living on private property. The previous place that we were parked ended up letting us stay with them and stay on the property. I wouldn't begrudge them one bit that they had decided to kick us off the property because of all this. So it spooked us because without a place to park, you don't really have a place to live in an RV. So we start traveling around looking for kind of a roots property we could park the bus, and we landed with our friends Allison and Warren in Missouri, little town Jameson, Missouri. Within a few days of asking around, we found 2 acres in Missouri, almost 2 acres. We're about to find out when we get surveyed. You can see it behind me, of land. We put it under contract yesterday, and I started clearing today. So, first day clearing, our dear neighbor across the street cleared pathways mowing. We didn't even ask. She was doing that. I guess she does every year. And then I've cleared a few different places. So let me show you. I'm gonna walk here for a minute. This is just, it looks almost like an old house. It even has shingles, single room. I don't know, maybe just a shed. But we're going to explore that more. I can't hardly get the door open. This is all covered by tree limbs. You can see we've done some clearing. And then I'm going to show you a crazy thing. So we're out here in tornado land. I don't know if this is considered tornado alley or not, but we did discover this guy. This is an old, you can see the vent in the back even. It's an old storm shelter slash cellar. That thing is super old. It'll be interesting to see what we find there. I did some clearing to be able to have access. You can see all the underbrush. Cleared an exit that way. A lot of tree limbs and stuff that I cleared out to make a little nook. We like nooks. And then a couple other places I'm going to show you. One second.